Hi, good afternoon. This is Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my channel Oil, Gas, Water Knowledge Hub. This presentation on piping inspection engineers, fieldwork instructions. It is made with lot of things which are most useful in the day-to-day field activities. This is covered B31.3 process piping and other codes also. Okay, my friend, let's go. Hope that it is useful. Welding qualification, WPQ. Refer section 9, DIN 8565/8564. Welding performance qualification, refer section 9, DIN 8561/8560. Steel cladding, refer DIN 8583. Butt weld preparation, refer section 8. Butt weld ends as per B16.25 must be there. Test positions, QW 461.4, 1G, 2G, 5G, 6G, 6GR. Groove welds, 461.3, 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G. Also refer D1.1 for structural welds. Okay. General welding activity flow chart. See, prepare WPS as per ASME section 9, PQR as per section 9, tensile test as per QW 150, guided pen test QW 160, toughness QW 170, fillet welds QW 180. BS 7448 part 2 fracture mechanism toughness test. Method of determination K critical CTOD and critical J values welds in metallic materials. CTOD crack tip opening displacement. You can see this, many books are available. You can read. This is only information part I am giving here. Okay, I am mentioning. Okay, but you have to go through is a vast subject. And I request you to go through the special books are available on the specific points, CTOD and J values. Okay. Also refer 31.3 chapter 5, class number 328 and 328.1, 328.2, 328.3, 328.4, 328.5, 328.6 for fabrication details. Any fabricator wish to do the fabrication work, this he should know this general welding activities. Inspection engineer, fabricator, fabrication engineer, anyone. Low alloy steel material. Use thermopen preheat temperature P4A33P5 1.25 chrome 149 degrees Celsius. P5B A335P9 9 chrome material 177 degrees Celsius. P5A335P5 5 chrome 177 degrees Celsius. P5B A69.1 A691 5 chrome material 177 degrees Celsius. Interruption of low alloy steel welding, minimum 1/3 of wall thickness shall be completed and subject to intermediate heat treatment. Refer relevant WPS. What I mean to say is, if any interruption while doing welding because of rain, because of unconditional climatical conditions, okay, because of some other problems, if any interruption is there in welding, okay, but minimum welding should be completed 1/3 or refer WPS. Specific WPS will be mentioned what to do. Okay, carbon steel 19.05 mm above. Nowadays it is changed. You can see the latest B31.3. Okay, preheat is 80 degrees Celsius is Thermopen. Check size of joint, less than 2 inches. Carbon steel, Li steel, stainless steel root, GTAW, shielding, purging flow rate. Greater than 2 inches, carbon steel, Li steel, SSS, GTAW. Minimum 2 passes. Check shield purging flow rate. Other SMAW. Clit removal. For the purpose of fitting, they use some mechanical clits. Okay, these metal clits should be removed and ground only. Then should not be hammered. Okay, only grind and remove and check the DPT of the parent metal. Check interpass temperature by Thermopen. Check interpass cleaning. Maximum weaving limit 3 times of the electrode diameter. If you are using diameter 2.5 means 3 times. 7.5 mm say it is not, should not be more than 7.5 mm of the weave length. Completion of welding, then dress up, removal of arc strikes and spatters cleats by grinding only. Okay. Lower Li steels, post-heat treatment, PWC hardness to IS to be carried out. Refer relevant WPS. Refer relevant WPS for specific requirement of each welder performance qualification as per section 9 QW 461.9. You should note this. Okay. Visual inspection to be carried out after completion of welding as per refer section 9 QW 190 and section 5 article 9. Ultrasonic examination or RT to be done. Okay. Ultrasonic scanning. Many places nowadays, to save the time, instead of going for radiography to prevent some hazards and time, to save the time, in other words, money also they are saving by doing UT scanning. Okay. Okay, that is also acceptable. Okay. But scan distance 10T, both sides of the weld. Reinforcement to be ground smooth and flat to ensure proper contact between ultrasonic probe and surface. Observations: cracks, acceptance limit 0. Reference document B31.3, table number 341.3.2, para number 344.2, para number 344.7, ASME BPV code section 5, article 9. So if any crack you found, it should be 0. These are the reference documents. Lack of fusion, 0. Incomplete penetration, 0. Same, you can refer the same documents. Surface porosity, okay. Concavity root surface, reinforcement, weaving, 3 times of the electrode dia as per relevant WPS. Surface preparation, ultrasonic testing as per figure 1, we are missing here figure 1, it should be smooth ground off. Cleat track removal, grinding, buffing, hard punching for center marking, for UT, which TR probe for one side scanning only. All butt weld joints will be scanned at one side only. A453, G660, 8M nut. These are the. Thank you very much, my friends. Your knowledge is your asset. Wish you happy, bright, wonderful career ahead. All the best. Please subscribe my channel. Share this knowledge. I worked in this field for 40 years. I love to pass on the information, whatever I remember in my mind, and I am preparing, collecting some information also.